YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with another quick fix video on Pentair's creepy crawly SandShark suction side pool cleaner. Today we're actually going to flip the cleaner upside down here and show you guys how to replace this oscillator kit. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we are going to dive into Pentair's creepy crawly SandShark suction side pool cleaner. Well, we got a pretty simple fix today. We are actually going to replace the one of the major brains of this cleaner, which is the oscillator kit. So the internal gear kit does rotate in terms of the direction the cleaner is going to go, but as your suction side comes in here through the top of the cleaner, it's actually going to agitate that oscillator back and forth, which is actually what's going to help drive the cleaner forward in terms of also helping create that force to suck in all the dirt and debris on the bottom of your pool. So if you guys have not checked out our other videos on the SandShark, make sure you do that. We'll actually walk you through how to get inside as well as underneath here. Today, since we're just doing the oscillator kit, we actually don't need access to any of the internals. Everything can be done directly from the cleaner just like it is. So first thing you're gonna do is you're actually gonna take it and you're just gonna flip it over. It is a little easier if you remove this chassis pad, which again, check out the links below. We actually have a video on how to remove that chassis pad, just because it gives you a little bit more room in here to actually grab the oscillator kit. From here, really simple. The oscillator kit is just installed off of a pressure clip. Lift up. It will pull straight off of the internal drive shaft it's got here. And as you can see here on the bottom of this, do this without trying to lose all my extra flanges here, it actually just has a pressure clip here on the bottom. So that pressure clip just grabs that axle and holds on. So really simple fix, especially if this is coming off. Sometimes the plastic around this lip will go bad, so you do need to replace this. It does come with all new internal flaps here, which also help just kind of push the dirt and debris into the suction side here. So these are important. You do want to have these installed. They do need to be installed correctly. So make sure you follow the directions on the kit when it comes. But once you get your new one, you simply have to make sure that that internal drive shaft is still facing the same way. And then you're just going to push the new one on. There it goes. Sorry, I got to clean it apart here a little bit. So once you do that, then you're good to go. It'll actually freely move back and forth, and you don't need to worry about these pieces. They will not go out because the section here inside is too small for them to fall out. So they do move around a little bit. So really simple installation, and definitely a good quick fix to make sure that the life of your cleaner continues to go and does its job in the bottom of your pool. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.